we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stand strong. It looks like we made it.
We're going to talk about the client portal. This is the first thing that you want to set up when it comes to setting up your access to your courses, your memberships, your communities. Also, a lot of other great features are going to be coming into the client portal and will be notifying you inside this course. You want to set up the portal so that your customers have a place to go. It could be your club, your portal, anything you want to call it, your access, your course, whatever you want to call your portal. It's a client portal. So your customers can come in and access their courses, their membership courses, the communities, the affiliate manager, and coming soon, documents, payments, and so much more. But before you see how awesome the client portal could be, I recommend setting up one right now. You can easily come in and edit this at any time that you'd like during the time of your setup. We're going to go into sites and then we're going to go into portal. It's going to land on your dashboard. Your dashboard is going to look like this. This is a protected online gateway for client interactions. Your clients have the ability to log in at any time to the client portal for accessing courses, communities, overseeing their affiliate payout, and more. You're going to have a client portal URL. It's going to look like this. But we're going to show you how to change this in the settings. You'll also see on the right side how many people would be invited, how many users are using the portal. And then down here, we've got magic links. When I click on generate, by just searching a specific contact and sending them an email. That means when they click on the link, they'll be able to go right in and access their portal. You can also invite clients to your portal by selecting invite and selecting the contact from your contact list and sending an invite. Or if your customers forget their email or they want to send a login, you can easily send them just by selecting send login email, selecting the contact, and sending them an email. Now, you'll also see once we get this set up, let me go ahead and click on this URL. This is the URL that's set up. So it looks like over here, I've got an image, a little logo, information about my portal, and you'll see where they would have their email, their password, and they can log in. If they forget their login, they can also log in with a secure code. They can click add their email, log in with a secure code, sends them an email of a code, they put in the code, and they're in. If they're a new user, you can actually have them sign up by putting in their name, email, and password, and they can sign up to have access. If they already have a login, it would take them back to the login. If they forgot the password and you click forgot password, this is where they could put in their email and reset their password. And this is what it looks like without being branded or designed. So your client portal dashboard is right here. Now what we want to do is we want to cover the settings, how to set up your client portal. I showed you what the client portal looks like with just the URL that's given to you on your account. But what we can do is easily change that. So there's two settings in here, the domain setup and the branding. Let's talk about the domain setup. I'm going to click on domain. When I click on the domain, this is where you can put in your portal. You can call it whatever you want. You could call it your business. You could call it hair salon. You could call it salon portal, salon client portal, the club portal. You can call it whatever you'd like. So I'll just put salon portal and we'll update. And now I have a salon portal. If I want to copy this URL and I want to put the URL right here, it's going to take them to my client salon portal, clientclub.net login. You could use this domain or you can add these easy records and create a custom domain. I like doing things like client or club.mydomainname.com. So I would create a subdomain here that might say club or portal or access.yourwebsite.com and go ahead and set that up. You just put in your domain here, you add these records, and then you update your domain. It says, please note, make sure to configure only one of the above, either an A record or a CNAME record. Either one will work. And every time they selected salon.yourwebsite.com, it'll take them to the portal. And then all you got to do is click on update domain and you can add your own custom domain portal. Branding is great because this is how we change our branding on the site. So we've got our little display right here. You can give it a portal name. We can call this Salon Client Portal. We can give it a description, Salon Client Portal Access. You can also select the brand color. So we had blue, we could go to black, we could come down here, we could make it black. And then down here, we can add your favicon. The favicon is the little logo that shows up in the URL. You could post an image, post a logo. So right here, it's going to show you the aspect ratio. So this is 1:1, a portal image 1:1, and a logo image 1:1. So you can just click on this, go find some kind of fun little image here and add your image right here. And it would tell you that the image ratio is not right. Now over here, you can see it says max 16:16. 720:720, 200:200. So if you're using Canva or another design, you can easily go into Canva and select these custom ratios and put in your own design. You can put in email support. So let's just put support at mybusinesswebsite.com and then at salon training. And there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and hit Save Settings. And when I select Save Settings and I go back, let's go ahead and go back to my dashboard. Let's click on my URL and look what happened. I have now turned it into black branding. And if I had the background image, that would go here. If I had my logo image, that would go there. And you can see right here, it says Your Tools. On the left side, it shows Copyright Salon Training. And it also shows the email address right here that they can email for support if they have any issues. Setting up a client portal is really important because you want to make sure that you have a great branded page so that your customers get the look and feel of your brand. I'm going to go ahead and sign up myself as a new user. It's going to ask me to verify. Once it's verified, I am now in as a user. Here's my user information. So once they're logged in, they are officially inside of the community portal. Let's talk about this one next.